It's a lovely evening and we are expecting to have a cracker of a match here.
A lot is happening in the middle. The fans are already building up the atmosphere. The captain has opted to bat first after winning the toss.
These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. It looks in good batting form. Up in the air. Well bowled. That's a jaffa. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Impressed by the field sets by the captain is making the batsman play false shots. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. Well, that's a massive six. Made a cracking sound of the bat. But it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. Oh, that's a very confident shot. But the umpire says not out. And he decides not to take the review. And the batting power play comes to an end. Shouts of catch it, but nobody will. That's 6 runs. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position, got it from the meat of the bat. that was a stunning shot. They need more boundaries now to make up for their slow start. High on the bat, and it's a good wicket for the bowler. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Smart bowling according to the field set. But that's going to be for all right. Sweet timing. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Oh, that's hit him. Got into an awkward position there. Last ball coming up. That's a good shot from the batsman. Wasn't the best ball though. End of the first inning. Won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Shot. That's an excellent cricket shot. He gets 4 for it. Don't think the bowlers have been able to hit the right length consistently. Well placed into the gap. Possible too. Poor running between the wickets, really poor. Good shot for a single. Ah, that's a good throw, straight into his hands. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Turned away for a single. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Very good running between the wickets. Excellent running between the wickets. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Beautiful placement. He knows exactly where the fielders are. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Now that struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a two if they run well. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Bowled him, brilliant from the bowler. And there comes the celebration, and the crowd loves it. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Must be so disappointed with that shot. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs they'll have that security. Nice defensive stroke from the batsman. Last ball coming up. That's gone high. Got him. That's a stunner. Out for a duck. They put a good all-round performance today. Bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.